Alright, so structural drawings, so they are in parts over here, not like the architectural drawings, right? Our building starts from the lower basement. So let us open the foundation plan of the lower basement. Okay, so let's delete these two things. Okay. All right, so here you can see that so this is the H grid, right? So let us go to the architectural drawings. Always remember that while working at the site, what you have to do is that you have to tally, your architectural drawings with the structural drawings, just to be sure that they are in unison or they are in coordination with each other. Okay. All right, so let's see the lower basement. So this is the H grid, right? So this is your portion, right? So this is the H grid, and here you can see that so this is for the upper basement, and only this portion is the lower basement. Okay, so this portion, right? Okay, so this is your H grid, and you can see the footings are F1, F5, F1, F1, right? So the structural drawings basically give you information about the structural members. Like, so the structural members include your footing, your column, beam, slab, staircase, and other things that take the load, right? So your walls. Okay, so the structural drawing will give you, the size of these structural members, and also how the reinforcement will be arranged for these structural members. For example, to know the size of the footing F1, right? So it's 1850 by 1850. So you can either measure here, or you can go to the detail where the information about this footing is provided. So that is your foundation detail, right? So if you open the foundation detail, you can see that. So if you see the footing F1, it's 1850 by 1850. Okay, and you can also see how what its depth will be, right, and how the reinforcement will be arranged. So it's 12 mm diameter parts, 150 mm center to center, ASTL and ASTV. So this is the series for the structural drawing. So we'll talk about these things in detail one by one. So I don't want to go in detail for now because it will make the video very much lengthy. Okay, so these information you get from the structural drawings, right? So the size of the structural members and the reinforcement arrangement. So that's all you get from the structural drawings, nothing much. So all the informations, the major information is contained in the architectural drawings. All right. Okay, so now the next drawing that you need for the building construction is the electrical drawing.